Alright guys, welcome back to Half Fast 719 under the Megacab right now. Things looking good. So I got my two-piece shaft. It's a new carrier bearing right here. These are the non-serviceable U-joints. So basically to service these, you torch this whole area, and then this, well, I don't know what it's called. It's almost like a fiberglass something. Anyways, it squirts out. Because it squirts out, then you can press these in. Otherwise, it's like basically locked in there. It's like a ring of fiberglass. Anyway, so sorry for the wind. So yeah, so it should be pretty quick, pretty painless. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the carrier out, the carrier bearing off these two bolts. I believe there's 15 millimeter, and then I'm going to take this support off. It's a 15 millimeter also. So probably an impact 15, and then there's a lot of dirt up in there. So wear some glasses because a lot of this, it might fall out. Anyway, yeah, so this drive shaft has 316,000 miles on it, and yeah, so it's original. I don't think it's bad. I don't think any of the U-joints are bad, but I keep having issues with the carrier bearing, and I just want to get rid of it. I just want to delete it. So this is how you delete your carrier bearing. So I measured it from center of eyelet, or whatever you want to call it, center of cup to center of the front cup. It is 75.25 inches. So anyway, the new one, I'll get to the new one real quick. Get off onto here. As you can tell, the new wheels are not on the truck yet. Gotta figure out what the kid's gonna do. Anyway, here we go. Here's the new massive, I mean, it's huge drive shaft. It is a Dorman drive shaft. Sonics ends. Comes with a brand new slip yoke, brand new U-joints, serviceable. So these are serviceable because they have the clips. Pop the clips out, stick new ones in. Got my little sticker for my warranty. It's balanced apparently. Anyway, part number. Check. It comes in this big old box. Kind of nicely wrapped, nicely packed. They show a lot differently on their website for the Dorman. And here is the part number I'm using. So 946-158. The 946-158 is the retrofit for the two-piece. You can get, I believe there's a 946-157. However, it's, I think, 4-inch round tubing, and this is, I thought I saw it on here, 4 3/4 inch by 0.125, and on the website it actually said that this was a lot thinner. It was like 0.065 if I remember right, for the thickness, the wall thickness. And it also shows in the picture that it's tapered. Oh, sorry. It's smaller here, and then the drive shaft's bigger. So this was like, and it showed it 4 inches, being 4 inches here, then tapering down to 3.5 or 4 inch or 3 inch down at the end. So, and that was on the Dorman website. So, anyway, I'm gonna get started on this. Kid thinks I went a little overboard, but fourth gen brakes, Chevy disc brakes, P-pumped, 4-wheel drive, lifted to the moon. Who went overboard? Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna throw this drive shaft in, and yeah, I don't know. I'm tired. I'm wore out. I'm pooped from work, so I'm just gonna do it quick. Try to show you guys, and I don't have a before after video. There's nothing really to see for the before. But yeah, I can't see what size tools I need. And yeah, so anyway, let me see if I can't set you guys somewhere. If I can, I will. If I can't, well, you guys understand. It's pretty simple. Just 4 bolts for the new one. Slide it in, whatever, the old one. Zip off, was it 4, 6? Yep, 6 here, and then 4 back there. So, what is that, 30? Just give you guys 10. So, anyway, the rear drive shaft has been off before. I took it off to do the carrier bearing, obviously. You can see I still have a white mark. So anyway, let me see if I can even get impact on here. Otherwise, I'm going to have to do it all with a wrench. So, which is why I brought the wrench out here. Come on, get on there. Quit fighting me. See, 1, 3, 7. Oh, it almost busted me in my face. That's okay. I know a plastic surgeon, but I don't. Right, anyway. This whole job should take a whole 20 minutes. But you hear this play in this bearing already? And it sounds shot. This is brand new. It's probably got about, I don't know, 1,000 miles on it. So anyway, that's a Car Quest one. Anyway, you guys get the idea. Let me undo these last 2 bolts. I'll probably have to undo those by a wrench, and then take those last 2 out so it doesn't drop on my face. Slide the new one in, and I'm upside down. Anyway, there you go. So I'll slide the new one in and come back down in here and show you guys what to do. I'll be back. Alright guys, and just like that, it's all done. Ooh, I forget what the torque was on that. I think it was 75 foot-pounds. Got this big old beast up in here. It's super easy. So only one thing I can recommend. Just one thing only. So I got all the old parts in here, drive shaft, the bracket, the bolts, everything's in here. Yep, I got drugged by the truck. That was funny. So Yeah, and undid the rear 4 bolts, got the last bolt off, and the truck took off. Shoo! Straight to the garage. I did not think I was on that big of an incline. Because usually when I park closer to the garage, the truck doesn't move or anything. And when we parked the truck, I got out. Usually the truck will rock. It didn't do anything. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. Anyway, so yeah, the truck drugged me for about, I don't know, 8 feet, maybe 10 feet. Because the wrench I was using was all the way at the front tire, under the front axle. And the carrier bracket and bolts, they were under the front bumper. So I'll say about 10 feet. Anyway, so yeah, just block it or put it on jack stands or put it on a jack. I mean, I think if it was on a jack, it probably still would have rolled. So jack stands, but anyway, I think I'll be all right. I think I got a couple rocks in my shoulder on the back that are implanted. But anyway, so I'm gonna throw that drive shaft somewhere, probably put it over here. And yep, that's one project done. I've gotten laundry done, drive shaft done, lights don't work, and oh, we bought a elliptical at the thrift store and figured out what was wrong with it. It's a high-end gym, life fitness, $3,000 or $3,500 treadmill. Anyway, it was really dirty. It smelled like cat, stuff like that. We tore all the plastics, all the fairings off, and cleaned it all. That thing actually has like an automotive alternator in it. It's pretty crazy. I want to say it's about a Honda Civic size alternator. It's a pretty big alternator in there for the generator to keep the battery charged, I'm assuming. And that is what the problem is. The battery, one of the terminals is completely corroded. So got a new battery on order. Anyway, whatever. All right, guys. So I'm going to throw this drive shaft in the barn. And then I have to go to our office, the local yard. I have to update a laptop and everything. So I'll take the truck and we'll give you guys an update in another video on how it's doing. And if you guys see this video months later, whatever you want to call it, weeks later, and you want to know how it's doing, just message me. I'm pretty quick to answer, unless you say something stupid. Like, actually, no, I even answer those too. Get people waste of time, don't watch this video, and then I usually say, oh, we got a genius here, or something stupid, because I'm an instigator. But anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Keep your vehicles blocked when you're working on them, especially pulling a drive shaft. That was fun. Thanks for watching. Later.